Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing good. Today I'll show you how to restart your iPhone. I'm using iPhone 14 Pro. Then you can use any iPhone for restart. Every iPhone will be similar and you can use iPhone 14 Pro. If you have, then you can try. I think it will be easy, and if you know how you can restart, then you can ignore this video. This video only for beginner and new iPhone user. All right. So this is the power button and this is the up and down button. You should just tap two button at a time, power button and down button. Just press few seconds. Yeah. Now showing like slide to power off. Then you just slide down. Okay. It's already off. Now if you want to on that, you can just press and hold. Okay. Just it's happening. So it's pretty easy. If you have been, if you are a new user for iPhone, then you can try iPhone 14 series and 15 series same, but others iPhone device may be little bit difference. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.